Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing ADATA external hard drive. Let's see what it looks like up close here. This is the front of the box here. It's a 4 terabyte external hard drive. It's 2.5 rear case. Alright, let's open it up here. Get that seal broken right here. All right. Has a USB 3 connection on it, and this is their proprietary cable connection from ADATA, which they always love to do. They like to put in their own design to be special. Let's just say that. All right. Let's see this instruction pamphlet here. It's the instruction pamphlet, which I don't need. Trying to tell you how to connect a USB to your computer. Well, that's all that's inside the box, guys. I see it has a case on it here, like it's a rubber case on it, just in case you drop it. But I'm not gonna test that by dropping it because this rubber, I don't think it's thick enough. It's thick on the edges. It hits the edges, but the rest of it is not real thick, as you can see. You see the edges where the thick rubber is, then the rest of it thin rubber. Not like. But here's the connection, the ADATA connection. But that's the only connection on it. Everything's all packed in this little assembly. So that's pretty much it. And you just connect this other end here, then you can hook it up to your USB 3 on your PC. Let's see here what it has on the back here. It says it's USB 3.1 ready. So it's made for the future. If you don't have that, you can use your regular USB 3 or your USB 2. So it's backward compatible. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay? Alright. I'm going to hook it up to my computer. Transfer a couple of files. See how quick it is. You know, see how it works out. Alright? Let's go check that out. Alright, and I'm going to hook this up to my computer. I'm going to hook it up to the USB 3 port. And see how quick it lets me transfer a file. So let me hook this up to my USB 3 port real quick. Alright, I've hooked it up. Now let's see. Alright, it's popped up. Alright, let's find some files here that I can use to test the speed on this thing with. This stupid thing. Alright, let's see what I have over here. A new volume, HEPC here. Alright, I got a couple movies. Let's see, this is a 1.37 gigabytes. Let's see, let's transfer. Let's see how fast it does over a gig file here. It's going now. It's going at about 24 megabytes a second at the most. That's the speed it's going so far, and it's going pretty quick. It says it's going to take about a minute total to transfer this file. So let's see what happens. It's going pretty quick. 25 seconds left. I think this is pretty quick for a mechanical hard drive, because it's pretty good speed for a mechanical hard drive. I think that's pretty good. It's good. It's almost done. There it is. Check the properties real quick. Take a minute. Let's see. Yeah. Took about a minute to transfer the file. So that is pretty good for a mechanical hard drive. I think that's pretty nice. So if you guys are thinking about getting this ADATA external hard drive for backing up your files, you know, maybe your YouTube files, your podcasts, whatever, I would recommend it. It did a pretty good job, pretty fast. Okay, now let's see the total. Usually it says it's supposed to be 4 tera. Let's see what it says here for the total without the there we go. It is 3.63 terabyte of storage. That it says 4 terabytes, but you don't get exactly 4 terabytes. You get 3.63 terabytes. Okay. So anyone use a external hard drive? It's small. You know, you can bring it around with you. You know, bring your files with you real quick, transfer or whatever you'd like to do. But it's pretty quick for a mechanical hard drive, so I would recommend this. Okay, guys. So as always, I thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope it's informative, and I hope it's helpful to you. All right, bye bye.